TorcUP's Volta is the revolutionary new battery torque wrench that is the talk of the industry. There's no other tool in the market that can compare to the Volta in convenience, durability, reliability, repeatable accuracy, or cost. Designed specifically for the field technician's ease of use and offers lockout availability with pre-programmed torque settings to your specifications, helping to eliminate user error.
Come on, Lefty. Done.
If you would like to see the Volta on your industrial bolting application, give us a call or email us. We'll bring one out to your job site without obligation, and you'll see why the Volta is the talk of the industry. You should have one on your job site.